Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ear tip fit for the headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones and scroll down. Click on sound, scroll down again. Oh, sorry, no, not scroll down, just click on ear tip seal check. Now put the headphones to your ears, and after that it put some music and tell you is it okay or not. Yeah, as you can see, I take a feedback, so I can change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!